Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Grandy again, and today we are starting Unit 14, Lesson 1. And the first thing we're going to learn about in Lesson 1 is line plots. Okay, and a line plot is this right here. It's a number line with dots. Sometimes people use X's, and you use a table where there is data to put information on a line plot. A line plot shows the data that is in the table. And if we're looking at this table, we're looking at a glue stick, a string, a feather, and scissors. What they did was they measured the length of each of these items. They then used the number line to make a line plot. How many items were 2 inches? We know that answer is one item, the glue stick. Were there any items that were 1 inch? Let's look. The answer is no. Any that are 3 inches? Nope. 4 inches? Yes, the string and the scissors. So you put 1 dot for the string, 1 dot for the scissors. There's none that were 5. 6 inches was the feather. So they put 1 dot for 6. So we've used every item and we've plotted all of the dots on the line plot. Now we're going to make our own line plot here at the bottom, but we have to measure the marker and the crayon. So the first thing we have to do is get out our ruler. So let's put this at 0. We are on the inches side of the ruler. And we can see that the marker is 4 inches long. Then we have the crayon. The crayon is 3 inches long. So in our data chart or data table, we're going to put that the marker is 4 inches and the crayon is 3 inches. When we move over to the line, we're going to put a dot above the 4 for the marker, and then the crayon is 3, so we need to put a dot above the 3. So since there were only 2 pieces of data in the table, we only have 2 dots on the line chart or the line plot. Now we're going to move on to this page where we have 4 items that we're going to measure. Okay. So let's start at the top with the paintbrush. Okay. Let's try to make this a little bit more clear. There we go. So let's put this at 0. Remember, again, we're measuring on the inches side. How many inches do we have? It's very close to 5. So the paintbrush is 5 inches long. This is a piece of chalk. Let's try this one. The chalk is 3 inches long. The straw is about 6 inches long. And the glue stick is 2 inches long. Now we need to take these measurements and put them into our table. How long is the paintbrush? Right, the paintbrush is 5 inches. How long is the chalk? Right, it's 3 inches. The straw is good, 6 inches. And the glue stick is 2 inches. Now we're going to put our dots on the line plot. Is anything 1 inch? No. 2 inches. Yes, we have the glue stick. So we're going to put 1 dot for 2 inches. There's one item that is 2 inches. Anything that's 3. Yep, the chalk. So we're going to put another dot for 3 inches. Anything that's 4? Nope. 5 inches? Yes, the paintbrush. So we're going to put a dot for the paintbrush at 5 inches. And 6 inches is the straw. Very good. So we've taken the data from this table and moved it over to this line plot. We measured 4 items, which means there are 4 dots. Okay. We're plotting the lengths of the objects that we measured. And we measured it in the number of inches. Okay, let's practice one more. Sophia measured the length of her colored pencils and she made a table. The table is right here. Use the data to make a line plot. So let's do that. We know that she measured the length of the pencils and she measured it in the number of inches. So if we want, we can go and just go to the data chart and say, okay, look, her red pencil is 4 inches. Here's the number 4. We're going to put our dot above the 4. The blue pencil is 3 inches. The green pencil is 7 inches. And the yellow pencil is 9 inches. If we look at our line plot, we can answer number 9 very easily. Which is the shortest pencil? So the shortest pencil is the pencil that is 3 inches long. What color is the pencil that is 3 inches long? Right, the blue pencil. So we can say the blue pencil is the shortest because it is only 3 inches long. Okay. Can we figure out which 2 pencils have a total length of 16 inches? Well, let's take a look. Let's start up here. What is 4 plus 3? Right, it's 7. Do we know what 7 plus 9 is? Let's think about that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 plus 9 is 16. So which 2 pencils have a total length of 16 inches? The green and the yellow. The green and yellow have a total length of 16 inches. I know this because 7 plus 9 equals 16. Okay. Now we're going to take one last look at number 11. Measure the length of the purple pencil in inches. Write the length below and record your measurement on the line plot up here for number 8. All right, let's take a look there. 1, 2. Right, it is 3 inches. So where are we going to put this dot? I'm going to use a different color so we know that it's number 11. Right, we're going to put it right above the other dot that's at the number 3. Okay, second grade, that is the end of Unit 14, Lesson 1, line plots. Today we spent a lot of time measuring and then putting our measurements on a line plot. In the next lesson, we're going to make our own line plots with other data tables that won't be used, with measuring. Okay. Until then, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.